how to check security of your Android device. Now, if you want to check if your Android device is secured or not, you can go into the setting app and then scroll down until you find the option of security and privacy. Just simply tap to security and privacy and it will start scanning your phone for issues. Now in this section, if you have any security threats, it will show right here. General ones are lock screen, account security, lost device protection, app security, and updates. And you can check it right here. I have some issues with my account security and it's telling me to change the password. And if it's also showing the similar in your phone, just simply tap into that and review it. And if you have any threats in your Samsung account, change the password of your Samsung account. And after that, you can also check for screen locks and biometrics from the additional security settings. And also, security status of your device can be checked from this section. Tap into that. And if your phone has any threats, it will show in this section. This way, you can very easily check security and privacy of your Android phone. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.